Now, he was supposed to pass uMabula. If you pass him the ball, then we go there. Siyakhona ukuphuma sesiminusile la. Right? Because 1, 2, 3, they are on the left-hand side, Chiefs. Now, he plays the ball there, trap with your right and pass with your left. You trap with your right, you pass with your left. It's that simple. Because the game is telling you what is packing up. That's why the ball comes to you. But when you decide why do you want to go there? Yeah? Because you can't right. No, use your left foot. Ouch, Jehovah. We have to deal with this ball. It is 3 against 2. There is no way. Cover. I don't know why bangathanda cover. We have to deal with this ball. Yeah? Makes a beautiful run. Remember what I said. It's space that Richards Bay gave Kaizer Chiefs on the previous clip. It was the 5 here, and then you have the 3 midfielders. You look at the space. Uyenzani, uNdlovu, Kudlu, Phakathi, inside. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Peterson makes another mistake, but I also blame Fernando de Cruz. For their mistake, Yaga Peterson, as a coach, you need to teach your keepers where to pass. They need to recognize which pass to make. Richards Bay 2, Kaizer Chiefs 2. Let's start. Bad result for Kaizer Chiefs, but from a losing position to come back by 2 and get an equalizer, it's a good thing. Now, both teams, right? The Chiefs confused a bit. Not sure if they were playing a 5-2-3 or a 5-2-2-1. Richards Bay, it was a 5-3-2, right? Zone bonus. So now 1, 2, 3. It was the 3-year Richards Bay in the middle. Sharp. They were giving a lot of space this side. Now the Chiefs. Munyani, right wing back. Now. Yes. As a professional player, you need to understand when you keep on doing this, bayeza about those block. And then the next thing uzophasa ugoalkeeper bese ayenza izinto ezidisi bese ngizothi keeper why ungakhahleli ibhola phambili. Okay, sharp. There's nothing wrong with Amaya, angithi sharp. Chiefs had 3 center backs, 1, 2, 3. Then you have Umodi. Yeah, kunzima. Okay, sharp. Playing as a double pivot. 1, 2 playing as a double pivot. And now you had Ushabalala. Then you had Uvila here. That's why I'm confused because it was the 5 and then the 2 here, and then you have 2, and then you have Upartman. But now, the mistake that they did was not to play a target man. This formation, sharp, I don't have a problem with it. But play a target man so that when your defenders don't know what to do, they just play it long. But udlalabo shorty, Luna. Still showing you both teams' structures. Now this is a perfect picture. Now 1, 2, 3, 3 at the back. Now you have Umodi, you have Umonyani there. Now the double pivot Chiefs 2-8, right? Undlovu would push most of the time. Sharp. Then you have Shabalala, then you have Obrigado, Uvilagazi here. Now in Richards Bay 5 here, they didn't have a winger. They had a right wing back. This guy was playing as a left back, but they would just give space. They knew even Richards Bay does not normally play like this. But I think Babone Chiefs this formation against Sundowns. Then they decided to change. These are the three in the middle. Now, these are the two strikers. But normally this guy plays as a wing. Angithi. This is Ndlovu given the freedom to push up. Like I said, Ndlovu was the one, that's why he even scored. He was the one that was given a lot of freedom because vele niyazi makahleli la move. First goal, Richards Bay. Now I'm going to explain why I blame the crew, right? Not to go to Peterson, I don't give him the blame. I blame him as well. Ne? Sharp now. It's a goal kick here. Ne? The goal kick. They play the ball there to the keep. Sharp now. As a coach, you need to teach your players, your goalkeeper, you need to teach him to realize where do we have more numbers, or the opposition, where do they have more numbers? Let's say you break the field down, siga le kek, we siga phakathi nendawo. If we siga phakathi nendawo, then you will realize in this picture 1, 2, 3 are on the left hand side, the Chiefs. So it means we need to go on the right. Now, Peterson, as a player, when the ball comes to the left, when the ball comes from the right, left to pass on right. That's what he does here. But when the ball comes from the left, right, ufuna ukukhahlela right. Watch now. Umabue, what he does, these two, what they do is they drop in, but Umabue drops in deep. Now, he was supposed to pass Umabue. If you pass him the ball, then we go there. Siyakhona ukuphuma sesiminusile la, right? Because 1, 2, 3 they are on the left hand side, Chiefs. There's one guy there, but if you play the ball there, siyaphuma ngapha, but he doesn't. That's why coaches need to teach the goalkeepers to recognize okay, where do they have less numbers, but he decides to come where to the left hand side where there is a lot of numbers. Now he gets the ball, ukhahlela ngo right, he kicks nginyawo lakhe laka right. He can't pass the ball here because our midfielders are that side. He can't pass anyone here. Now play the ball long, but he can't play the ball long because they don't have someone omude. They don't have a target man. Okay, sharp. Now he plays the ball there, trap with your right and pass with your left. You trap with your right, you pass with your left. It's that simple. Angithi bampasile firstly, bampasile watrapa ngo right, ngo left, walphusha, walphasa ngo right. Now trap with your right, pass with your left. It's the basics. The basics. Ultrapa ngo right, la rolla kakhulu. The touch was not good. Touch was not good. Under pressure. Had he tapped more right, then pass more left, bekungeke kube goal. Kaizer Chiefs had a free kick. Villa takes a shot. Goalkeeper. Good recovery. Good recovery, but this keeper is suspect. Let me show you why ngisho kanjalo. Nakya, this is Richards Bay versus Pirates last season. Nangu Hoto. Look at this keeper. Amunati. It is not because of the weather. Until it was raining, Ukemi Chiefs. In this game, it was not raining. This keeper, Amunati, when it comes to just catching the ball clean. Kaizer Chiefs scored via penalty, but there was a great move that they had just after scoring. He's trying to do his intaining. Great run la. Ndlovu is very dangerous with his runs. Now this is what I want to show you. Now the ball comes this side. The ball comes this side. Then we all know you are right-footed, but you are playing on the left. Why ungafuni ukushaya ngo-left wakho? Or you cross if uzokhona cross, because the game is telling you ukuthi isiphekte ngapha. That's why the ball comes to you. But when you decide ukuthi ufuna ukubuyelela emuva, why do you want to go there? Because ukhahlela ngo-right? No, use your left foot. Ow, Jehovah. Sometimes when i-Chiefs idlala, I realize ukuthi why do they need umthetho, right? Especially in the middle, because they broke i-Chiefs so easily. They needed a target man ukuthi umuntu mabazodlala ibhola phambili. Keep the ball. Okay, sharp. Now just watch ukuthi babachacha kanjani in the middle. That's why umthetho is needed in some games. Not all games, but in some games nje. Unless now you have to teach uNdlovu noMabu how to defend. Ukuthi bangasibreak phakathi nendawo. Avoid unnecessary free kicks and corner kicks. Those of you who've watched this channel since a year ago, I always speak about avoiding a set piece because we don't know how to defend them. Now, Ukwinyika has the space. Yeah? Uketukmaki bola. Why do you want, and it's slippery yashelela. Why do you want to turn? Go with the ball there. Yeah? Mara, mfana githi. So simple. Charge with the ball. Charge. Sikhona ukuphuma. Release the pressure. Angithi ipobe bas attack. Once you win. Now go forward. But what happens is now we create an unnecessary free kick. I mean set piece. Yeah? Okay, sharp. Now, conceding a corner kick does not mean ukuthi they are going to score. And we still need to defend the corner kick. Kahle. Phakathi inside. Now let me take it back. How did they defend this corner kick? Now you have Umikael here pointing. Utshela bani, who are you telling to pick here? Because akekho umuntu okubhekile la. So ucommunicate nobani. Right? That's the first thing. Angithi upikile uya kuphi? Okay, defending space, zonal marking. Labo itu bapikile. No one is picking here. No one is picking there. Angithi sharp. You have a player okadile la. Then when ukadeni uNdlovumile ngathi Ndlovu yasemaponya mall. Okay, let's go. Now, this man is free. La, it's two against one. This man, you cannot let someone jump I1 unprotected. A jump away 3 against 1. 3 against 1. Simple maths. You won't win. Second half. Game change of 2-1. Kaizer Chiefs are equalized. Right? I'm gonna show you something similar before you want to see goal Chiefs. Now let's start. Ball from the right, it goes to the middle on the left hand side. A beautiful run from Umtu Shabalala. Now, what I want to show you is look at these defenders. I'm going to line, but look at the space between the midfielders and these guys. Now, the Chiefs, had they had someone on left, you can't have one player on left the team. You need to balance the team. Had they had someone on left, then this movement becomes easy for him to cross. And then maybe now he could have used his left foot. Okay, sharp, he doesn't. Unlucky there. Umshaye ngepatrek ngomponsi on his left foot. We can't have 3 central defenders, but still sishawa ama long balls or long pass. Goalkeeper ukhahlela ibhola emoyeni. We have to deal with this ball. It is 3 against 2. There is no way. Cover. I don't know why bangathanda ukucover. We have to deal with this ball. Yeah, Muloisane needed to do better there. Okay, good recover, right? Good recover. But we have to deal with our long balls, long passes. Let me show you another one. Nakia. Long pass. Marabomi guy, lemonna. This guy should have won the game. At 2-1, he should have buried this chance. Now, you still have time. He still had time to push the ball again. Why flew Kora outside of 18? Eh? Ushaya, bega ukuthi ushaya kuphi? Elenini, why ungazange aliphushe okugcina? Yeah? One on one. You have to hit the target. You have to score. Uduba came in and got 2 chances. It's not clear-cut chances, but the technique ayisebenzisayo la ufuna ukudubula. No, you have to use your inside foot. You can't want to use ama-lace for this type of cross. Noma ungathi sharp, yes, it's a good cross, but you trying to use ama-lace. If you use your inside foot, yeah, watch. You can't use ama-lace for that, Mpanagiti, because using laces, Mpanagiti, use your inside foot. Had you used his inside foot, maybe Pora Belizoya part, right? But if you look ama-lace, let me show you another one. Nakia, in a space of 3 minutes, usebenzisa technique A1. Beautiful passing, ball comes to the right, cross. You can't, Mpanagiti. You can't. Duba ufuna ukudubula. No, you can't. No, super sport bafethu no. Super sport wrong technique there. Super sport bafethu idlala ngathi. Quality. I stand to be corrected, but what I know is nama camera imvula mayina, they need to have a camera and a fan, right? It's always spinning ukuthi ingashawa amanzi, right? But manje sibhekelela ibhola ngapha ngathi I know Super Sport, they need to do better. Final clip bese ngiyayivala igoli le-Kaizer Chiefs, right? Remember the space engikhulume ngaso, sharp. Ball on the left, makes a beautiful run. Remember what I said, space that Richards Bay gave Kaizer Chiefs on the previous clip. It was the 5 here, and then you have the 3 midfielders. You look at the space. Uyenzani, uNdlovu, Gudlu, phakathi, inside. You can never have too much space in between the lines, whether it's striker and a midfielder or midfielders and defenders. You can never have too much space. Never. If you do that, teams will punish you. Ball goes to a side in it, and then it comes into the space. Angit. Okay. Thank you for watching Bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.